Hello everyone, my name is Benoit Veilleux, owner of Performance Headquarters. Many people ask me, what is it that you do with athletes to improve their game? Well, our recipe is pretty simple. We help them to see and think the game faster so they can execute it better. When you think about it, it's one thing to go to the gym, eat better, and work on your skills. But if you don't have a good vision and you can't process the game fast enough, it's pretty hard to get the maximum out of your talent. If you look at most of the dominant athletes, they're not necessarily the strongest, the biggest, or the most skilled guys. But under pressure, when the game is on the line, they find a way to come up with solid decisions. And this is what we do here. Our focus is pretty simple. We help you to get better results. And our track record speaks for itself.
Here we have 20-year-old right winger Eric Ming from the Kitchener Rangers of the Ontario Hockey League. Eric started training with us last year in the off-season. And as you can see, here Eric is working on a number of visual and processing skills. One of the most important things for us to help Eric to get a fraction of a second on the pace of the game at the level Eric is playing, which is the best league in junior. This is very important to him, but we know that this is very important to any athletes wherever and whatever level you're playing. And we're doing this by improving his time reaction, his stick speed. Stick speed could be important to help an athlete to turn a bad pass into a solid play, for example. Also his eye-hand coordination, or if you prefer, his eye-stick coordination, which would help tremendously in front net presence, deflecting pucks, and again, maybe picking up bad passes and so on and so forth. And certainly his anticipation and timing skills, these are very important aspects. We also want him to be able at a glance to register a lot of information. We know that what we call speed and span of recognition could have a tremendous impact on decision making, and this is certainly something we're working hard with them. We also want him to maximize his ability to multitask, because we know that difficulties in this area could lead to tunnel vision, poor relation to verbal cues, and certainly create turnovers or bad anticipation. Overall, our training is tailor-made to your needs, and this is why we take the time to know you and to evaluate your visual and processing skills in great details. Everything you do here is measured. It helps us to track down your progress and make adjustments accordingly, and also to follow you as you grow into your skills and as you develop with us here at Performance Headquarters.
And we use the same thing that pro teams and university programs are using in North America and all over. Athletes that can benefit from our training are athletes that are playing sports that are dynamic. Sports like hockey, soccer, football, lacrosse, basketball, baseball, racket sports, motor sports, you name it. You want to raise your game, you got to raise your standards. Check our website, call or email us. We'll be happy to give you a free trial.